Hello everyone. If you're waiting for vacant seat notification for CLAT 2026, here's an important update for you. NUALS Kochi has released its vacant seat notification for CLAT 2026. You can just go and search for NUALS vacant seat and you'll end up here. If you go further, there'll be admissions portal, CLAT 2026 fee and vacancies. If you go here, there is a glitch. If you go here for BA LLB vacancy, the notification, download print official notice PDF, this says 4th, 5th and final instruction. This is wrong. You can just go to plain text here and you can just save and open it. Here you'll see the official notification of your vacant list, and here is your Google form which you need to fill. And please note that the deadline to fill this form is 8th of June 2026 before 3 p.m. Or else you can directly go to our website, or you can just search in your browser NLU vacant seats 2026. And the first results you can see NLU vacancy 2026 of Abhyas Law Prep. Just click here and go for check vacant seats. Here you can just directly go to 11th, that is NUALS Kochi. The deadline 8 June 2026, and here you can just click on apply here, which will redirect you to the Google form, and you need to just fill the Google form, your details, your Aadhaar card, your gender, your date of birth, your mother tongue, religion, caste, community. There is no separate vacancies for SC, ST or other communities. It is just one Google form for everyone. So be careful when you are filling your caste, community, and then your blood group, nationality, specially abled, your application, CLAT application number, your score, your CLAT rank, the category under which admission is made, and what is the distance from NUALS in kilometers. See, if you are residing in NUALS, what distance or what is the distance from NUALS in the kilometers. Now, apart from this, you can even see the information given for NRI quota. So you can just you can just search for NLU vacancy 2026, and the first result you see, you can just click on here and you can be updated just by clicking on this website, where every vacant seat from each and every NLU, including your NRI quota, NRI seats, will be visible. So if anyone else is also waiting for your vacant seat notification, please forward this video to them and share and subscribe. All the best for your admissions.